Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to verify the Cypress is successfully installed in our system or not. So first of all, open this terminal. So you can open the terminal from here or just click on this terminal, so it will open. So another way is click on this terminal and click on new terminal. So see, so here you have to type one command, npx Cypress verify, and hit enter. So once hit enter, so this message will appear, verified Cypress, means the Cypress is successfully verified in our system. So like this you can verify the Cypress is successfully installed in our system.